Case conversion methods. These methods are used to change the case of a string. First one is capitalize method. Gives a new string after converting the first letter to uppercase and all other letters to lowercase in the string. Syntax is string variable dot capitalize of. Let's take one example. String equal to within double quotes like, share, subscribe. Capitalized equal to string dot capitalize of print of capitalized. Let's run it. See, the output is like, share, subscribe. Capital L in like, remaining R are small letters. Next one is title method. Title method gives a new string after converting the first letter of every word to uppercase. If a word contains a number or a special character, the first letter after that is converted to uppercase. Let's take one example. String equal to within double quotes like, share, subscribe. Title case equal to string dot title method print of title case. Let's run it. See, the output is like, share, subscribe. Capital L in like and capital S in share and capital S in subscribe. Let's take another example. String equal to within double quotes like underscore share at the rate subscribe space and space press 1 bell 2 icon. Title case equal to string dot title of print of title case. Let's run it. See, the output is like underscore share at the rate subscribe and press 1 bell 2 icon. See, capital L in like, capital S in share because of previous character is underscore, capital S in subscribe because of previous character is at the rate, capital A in and because of previous character is space, capital P in press because of previous character is space, capital B in bell because of previous character is digit 1, capital I in icon because of previous character is digit 2. Next one is swap case method. Swap case method gives a string after converting the uppercase letters to lowercase and vice versa. Syntax is string variable dot swap case of. Let's take one example. String equal to within double quotes like, share, subscribe. Swapped equal to string dot swap case of print of swapped. Let's run it. See, the output is like, share, subscribe. See, capital letters became small letters and small letters became capital letters.